Hey folks, just got to work this morning, got my ass out of bed. Why not? It's freaking freezing cold out here. I'm hunting. But guess what? It was worth it, people. Oh yeah! Got a dandy. Got a dandy. 300 Winchester short mag. Gotta say, while it did a number on him, I had to track him. I had to track some bitch, and I'll tell you what, when I shoot them with my 270, I don't have to track them. I go to where they were when I shot, and I look, and there they are. This thing probably ran 65 yards. I'm probably kind of shocked. 165 grain Nosler ballistic tip, moving on at about 3,100 feet per second, and he still ran 65 yards. I'm shocked. But anyway, got a nice one. I'm happy. Now it's time to go punch in. Later.